Welcome back, guys. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. Today we're going to be talking about Tesla and why Tesla has been declining so much in the past couple of days. Before we start the video, guys, please make sure to leave a like on the video below, subscribe to the channel for more awesome content, and let's go on our investing journey together. So as you guys know, looking at Tesla the last week, after the split, it had this huge rally, guys. I mean, it was almost $500, and then it just has kind of started to decline in the past couple of days. A lot of people kind of led it to a big investor selling off a decent amount of their shares, which also leads to retail investors getting scared and then selling off some of their shares. Just know, guys, Tesla is growing like crazy, huge EV company. The last 4 quarters were profitable, releasing all types of new vehicles. You know, they have Battery Day coming up, which means that they're going to be expecting a lot of stuff from Battery Day in general. If I were you guys, I would take this opportunity and actually buy the dip on Tesla. Obviously, guys, everything I say in my videos is not financial advice. It's just my personal recommendation. But, guys, everyone knows that Tesla's been growing like crazy. Tesla is a huge growth story. And, I mean, on top of all the analyst upgrades, people are expecting a lot from Tesla in the next couple of years. Like I said, the EV market is super rampant. I think generally why Tesla also is not doing very well lately is because the tech market actually has taken a little bit of a dip. If you guys know that today the market is super red, and obviously that's because a lot of tech companies are not doing so well. Just know, guys, that I would take this opportunity to actually pick up some Tesla shares. Obviously, guys, you can't be looking at the day-to-day investment. You have to be looking at the long term. Tesla has so much more room to grow, and it's absolutely insane that no one can even really measure how much Tesla can grow. Some analysts say it's going to $15,000. Some give it a $3,000. Obviously, after the stock split, there's going to be different price targets, but you guys get the general idea. I mean, looking at the 5-year chart, look at that growth. It's just a huge growth story. It's up 736% in the past 5 years. In the past 1 year alone, guys, it's up 817%. And for the last 3 months, it's up 130%. I would honestly, like I said, take this opportunity to buy the dip on Tesla, guys. Tesla obviously is not going anywhere. And like I said, it's had not really bad news, but with tech not doing so well, you had a huge investor who owned a 6.2% stake, lower their stake by about 1.2%. You guys have to understand that that's a lot of shares, even looking at it from a 1%, stakeholder, shareholder aspect. Guys, Tesla is not going anywhere. I would honestly, like I said, take the opportunity to buy the dip on Tesla. This thing has so much more room to grow when they're going to be releasing longer lasting batteries in different cars, and they're going to start expanding their market to China and Europe. And on top of all that, guys, EV is here to stay. Obviously, when they start putting them in ships and, airplanes, and then obviously you guys know Tesla wants a slice in the truck sector as well. I would honestly take this opportunity that Tesla does have a lot more good news coming up for it. So me personally, yes, it hasn't been doing well the last couple of days. And yes, the bears have been doing very well. If you bought puts the last couple of days, you're probably eating some serious tenders. But if you're a bull, you probably, are eating top ramen. See, the thing is, guys, you have to understand, you always have to look at investments from the long-term perspective. Like I said before, Tesla has a lot of room to grow. I would honestly take the opportunity to pick up some shares. But with that being said, guys, that's all I really have to say about the video below. Please leave a like on the video below. Subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Guys, let me know down in the comment section below. Do you think that Tesla is going to continue to decline? Or do you think it's just because it had, a little bit of bad news here and there? Let me know, guys. Thank you, guys. Have a great day.